Guys,
Wait,
race 3.
are you on Cash Killers?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
race 3 here. Okay, I'm gonna be switching because I'm at school, obviously, as you can hear,
This would be a duo account.
with
So,
Silvercash. Shout out to him. Go sub.
and this is Red Cash. Well, I'm not Red Cash. I'm Silver Cash. What are you doing? I haven't even started recording. So we're gonna just do.
Alright, I'm gonna name my dude.
Don't start the thing yet. We're gonna do. We're gonna do. Wait, where the frick is? Oh, yeah, we're gonna.
boy kills.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing a contest so you could beat the level the fastest.
I suck
It'll
at
be
this
fun.
game.
Yes, you do. Hey. Yeah. Killer Cash. Cash Killers, whatever. Well, I'm gonna Kill Cash as a duo account.
Yeah.
I think we just said that on. Well, we're recording separate videos. It's gonna be cringy and stuff.
Human campaign up in this.
Sure,
Wait,
dude.
I need
I
to
didn't make my recorder thingy big enough. It was so high. Whatever, man. I don't care. Dude, I didn't have it on my external mic. I'm gonna redo it.
You did it. So we're just talking into no one.
Yep.
Look at this. Technical difficulties. No,
Default.
sucks. I'm using the kite.
Okay, it works. Okay.
Wait, kite is good, right?
Yeah, Kite's good.
Okay.
Okay, what's up, guys? Cash Killers here with vids for life.
Vids.
Yeah. Duo account with Red Cash.
What's up?
Yeah. So we're gonna be doing a contest. See who can beat a level of the fastest. Dude, don't take too long, like freaking upgrading. You're no upgrading. Let's do that.
Upgrading. Arsenal. Just arsenal stuff.
Yeah, just arsenal stuff.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm switching. Like, where it is.
AR, bro.
AR. But yeah, there's ARs.
Yeah.
There is? Oh, shit. I'll just use the kite with you. No, I'm using the Punisher.
Nice.
It has like freaking bugs. See, the accuracy is the boss. Okay, shotgun.
Ooh, the holy grail, bro.
Oh, you're gonna use the Holy Grail.
Eggplants for days.
What are you gonna use? I'm using the beret.
That's fun to bear it.
Oh no, I'm using the freaking railgun, dude.
I'm using the holy grail.
What are you using for your rocket launcher? I'm using rapid rocket.
I'm using the eggplant. I'm using the eggplant, guys. The eggplant.
I'm not using the chest one's the best. Alright, don't even change your character. I'm not even gonna bother to do that.
Alright, we're starting now.
Let's do a quick match. Let's do
Quick match.
yeah, quick match. Quick match. Are you high?
Oh. Desert Storm. Kills.
Yeah.
How many kills?
Wait, we're doing kills 10. Perks just
Off.
just
Abilities
do max
off.
people.
That's max
I'm
people.
doing it's 11.
Wait, how many? What? Where are the people? Oh.
Oh, are you high? Sorry, oh god. For me, it looks like the face cam is really laggy. Sorry about that.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can hear me or not. Imagine it was like that video.
Should I
when it
do
was
medium or hard?
I'm just doing medium.
Okay.
Alright, ready? Start it on
yeah.
3, 2, 1, start. Oh shoot, I didn't start it. Freak. Whatever.
Oh, good lord, that's a lot of people.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I forgot how to play AWS.
What? Okay, medium's pretty hard, actually.
It is?
Yeah.
Well, it's just like human campaign. Wait, is it every man for himself?
Yeah.
Dude, it is laggy as hell.
I know.
Oh my god.
Okay. I am getting destroyed.
This is fucked up, dude. Respawn. Is it laggy for you?
I just scrapped this.
Dude, this is so laggy.
I think my mic is
You know
close enough.
No, I'm done. No, dude, I'm not even doing that. Not even. It's laggy. It's laggy. I'll just play Tank Trouble.
Why are these guys so big?
Dude, I'm just playing Tank Trouble. What do you...
I'm
Dude, go
still.
on Tank Trouble. Go on Tank Trouble. Go on Tank Trouble. Dude!
Hello. Okay.
Go on Tank Trouble.
Fine. Sorry about that. Ooh, look at that.
Go on Fun
Beautiful.
Blocked. Go on Fun Blocked.
Fun block.
You know what? Let's restart the video.
No, I'm
I'm
still
restarting the
using
video. Trash. Yeah, start over.
What the? Wait, which one? This one. I'm gonna just try everyone.
Tom, you want to be featured in my video on Cash Killers? So, you're going to be playing with me, okay?
Why?
Actually, no. Oh, wait, it's only 2 player.
This is on Scratch?
Okay, what's up? Why are you doing Tank Trouble on Scratch?
I don't know.
Cash Killers? Here.
Video fail, technical difficulties, edit it.
Dude, you should just restart the video. Yo, Tommy, you gotta play? On Tank Trouble. It's on Cash Killers. It's my multiplayer. So, you're player 1, your shooting is Q, and you use AWSD, okay? And mine's M. Okay. So just press shoot to start.
Oh, this one. What the heck?
You can see him. This is the mic. Which color am I?
What the?
What are you doing?
What the? What the?
Why do I make myself sick?
Oh,
What
God.
the?
Hey, guys.
You gag yourself.
Yeah, you gag yourself. What? What?
What the heck is this?
It's...
Exact. What the?
Do you like... It's... It's a song.
It is. What?
What song are you listening to?
Oh, what happened? Wait. What happened?
Daniel, obviously.
Did you just delete the title?
What the?
Oh my god.
What the?
Okay, let's see if I can reload it. Wait for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, I don't know if you can still hear me, but that was a close one.
I know,
You
right?
almost saw my screen record. I don't even know if it's still recording. Oh, it's still recording. Okay, yeah, sorry about that, guys. The teacher was there, and she saw what I was doing. Luckily, she didn't see the screen recorder. Alright, Tommy, you play?
Oh god, that's 80.
Wait, click here. Alright, so you're red. Yeah, and your shooting is Q, and these are items, okay? So now I have a missile, so I can freaking shoot the missile.
Boom.
It's
Okay.
W. W is forward.
I don't know which one it is.
Oh, dude, I just killed myself.
I killed myself.
Whose point was that?
Why?
That was no one's
Please
point.
work.
Alright.
You did restart? Wow.
Yeah, dude, I restarted. Oh, this is gonna be good.
I choose red.
Mine says where I'm gonna shoot.
I choose blue.
Bang, bang, bang.
I choose green.
Bang, bang. Watch out.
Yay!
What the heck?
What do you?
Pew, 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 pew.
Oh, you're doing that? Skip school. I'm actually gonna do that. Wait,
Pew, pew.
I don't think the mic. Oh. Oh, okay.
What the?
Okay, what? And what's the shoot?
Oh, shoot.
Oh,
no!
yeah,
I died. Okay, I died.
Okay, this is stupid.
You're stupid.
Just like
Oh!
your face.
Oh, the max time is 15 minutes. You can't record for more than 15
Yeah, I
minutes.
know.
You guys can't see red. Okay, guys. World's shortest video.
Peace out, guys. I won. Totally.
You did not win. It's tied. Wait, this is the final death match.
I can't even see anything because the screen is like in the way.
Okay.
I took the dub.
Alright, guys.
took the dub.
Do not subscribe to Go Service.
I'm out. Alright, end the video.
Video. Bye.